is National Heroes Day in Jamaica, and it's got the maverick thinking. We have 6 national heroes and 1 national heroine. And when we run through the list, we see a couple of politicians in Bustamante and Norman Manley. We see the international black nationalist Marcus Garvey. We have the near mythical Nanny and Sam Sharp, who were early warriors for their people. And then we have Paul Bogle, a local champion for the people's rights. And George William Gordon, the abolitionist. Now, first of all, what happened to Jamaica's modern heroes? You want to tell me, say, no Jamaican over the past 50 or 60 years has done anything lasting and worthy. So an entire generation of Jamaicans have grown up and are getting old and are dying without a contemporary hero. At least none officially sanctioned by the government. And of course, what about our sporting and cultural greats, the people's heroes who continue to blaze the trail by representing brand Jamaica across the length and breadth of the world? These are international heroes from Jamaica who are not national heroes in Jamaica. So what more should these people do after bringing glory, honor, and success to Jamaica, land we love? To be worthy of hero status. Like Paul Bogle, we should start some rebellions. Maybe that would change some opinions. Happy Heroes Day, Jamaica.